Hey everyone, welcome back to Code and Crafts. In today's video, we are going to start our journey into the world of programming. So, if you are completely new to this topic, don't worry at all. You don't need any prior knowledge and you don't need to be good at mathematics or computers. So, this video is designed mainly to explain everything in a very simple and beginner friendly way. So, before writing any code, it is very important to understand the basic ideas behind programming. Once your foundation is clear, learning any programming language becomes much easier. So, in this video, we will understand what programming is, why we need to learn programming, the types of programming languages, and what a program actually means. So, let's begin with the first topic. Programming means telling a computer exactly what to do step by step. A computer is just a machine, so it cannot think, guess, or understand things like humans do. It only follows the instructions given to it. If the instructions are clear, the computer works perfectly. If the instructions are not clear, the computer will not know what to do. For example, so when we give an instruction like when I press a button, display the message hello. The computer understands that whenever the user clicks the button, it should show the message hello on the screen. So this simple instruction is the best example of programming. Every app, website and software works in the same way by following instructions written by programmers. Now let us move to the next topic and understand why we need to learn programming. Learning programming means learning how to make a computer work for us. Instead of doing tasks manually, we can write programs to do the work automatically. For example, when you use a calculator to add two numbers, so it gives the result instantly because a program is running behind it. And not only that, if you want to add two numbers, it will be very easy to do manually. But when it comes to the large calculation, adding thousands of numbers manually, which will take a large time consumption, which is very hard to do it. So in this scenario, programming helps us to think clearly and logically. So it teaches us how to break big problems into smaller steps and solve them one by one. So programming also allows us to create useful things such as applications, websites, games, and software used in offices, schools, and hospitals. So it saves time by repeating tasks without getting tired and helps build a strong career in today's technology driven world. A computer cannot do anything on its own. Programming tells the computer how to help us and what is why learning programming is important. Now let us understand the types of programming languages. There are many programming languages, but based on how they work, they are mainly divided into three types. Procedural programming follows a step by step approach, so where instructions are executed in order. When it comes to the object oriented programming, it is mainly based on objects that contain data and actions, which helps in organizing large programs. And when it comes to functional programming, it mainly focuses on functions and calculations and follows a more mathematical approach. Each type has its own use. So, and different programming languages follow different styles. Now, let us move to the final topic and understand what a program actually is. So, a program is a collection of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a particular task. These instructions are written in language that the computer understands. For example, if you want the computer to add two numbers, you give it instructions to take the first number and then to take the second number, and we add them and display the result. So all these instructions together form a program. A program clearly tells the computer what task to perform, when the task should happen, and how the task should be done. So without programs, a computer is just a machine. Programs are what make computers useful and powerful in the world. This brings us to the end of today's video. So in this video, we understood the basics of programming in a simple way. And not only that, this is just the beginning of our programming journey. So we'll explore more in the next videos into the real coding with practical examples. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code and Crafts. See you in the next video.